Hi, my name's Robert Hazelgrove, and I've come to Jacksonville, Florida from London, England, because I had RK surgery about 25 years ago now. And at first it worked okay. It was good, I could see well. But as time went on, probably in the last 10 years, I was noticing a lot of problems with my eyes, fluctuating vision, and problems with just generally seeing. So but I looked at how am I going to solve this, and I went to quite a few opticians, doctors in London, hospitals in London, and they all turned me away from surgery. You know, no more surgery for you, do not have surgery. But I just thought there must be an answer somewhere. So when I found Dr.Gulani online, I looked at all his videos, I researched it thoroughly and realised that Dr. Gulani was the man for me. He could cure RK, you know, he could make me see again. So I've come to Jacksonville and it's been brilliant from the start, unlike any experience I've had anywhere else. From day one, everything was perfect. You know, all explained, everything was high tech, all the tests and the retests, and Dr. Gulani, you know, his personality, giving you confidence, it was all great, you know. And so I've had my surgery yesterday and I can see much better now, it's comfortable, no pain, and it's just a great experience, you know. I've got one eye done, and I will be coming back as soon as I can to get the other eye corrected. My doctor's got a rest now, and I'm confident everything's going to be great. Dr. Gulani showed me the difference between my cuts on my eyes then, before the operation, and how he's healed the eye, and it's just, you know, absolutely amazing. And if I could go through the surgery process, lensoplastic surgery that I've had. We went into the suite and everything was explained, and I was into surgery, and it's so professional in there, and it's not a scary process. You walk in and it just feels like everyone knows what they're doing and when to do it, and it's a very painless and professional process, and then you're done, and the eye is operated on, and there's no pain. So it was fine. And I've met some people and talked to them in the waiting room. It's like a little community, and everyone says the same, that no one had any answers but Dr. Gulani. So, you know, it's a really nice experience here. Everyone's friendly, professional, and I wouldn't have travelled all this way if I didn't truly believe I was going to get the best treatment. That's why I've come all the way from London, England, to be here, and I haven't been disappointed. Everything is spot on, and now I'm seeing good. I'm seeing great.